And all these slow movements, like I said, if you cannot do it slow, you will not be able to do it fast. This is the approach that in another system now we are using to very, very slowly be aware of each single millimeter and program your muscles exactly in this way. We want repetition. Repetition is really key to mastering or to be able to make any movement, doesn't matter. Dancing movement, fighting movement, what's important for all of this is the repetition. Because this repetition is going to be responsible that you or your body is going to build up what we nowadays know as the muscle memory. It is the repetition that builds up muscle memory. And all these slow movements, like I said, if you cannot do it slow, you will not be able to do it fast. And this is the approach that in another system now we are using to very, very slowly be aware of each single millimeter and program your muscles exactly in this way. Relaxing the whole day long, being soft, being gentle is really nice after you have sometimes called up the fire and really exhaust yourself a little bit, meaning become physical. We need both. We need the strength, we need the protection, we need the health, we need the vitality, we need this physicality. We need to have it in order that we're able to deal with all of the soft things and the fine things. Because if you want to get to the finer levels, if you want to get to the non-physical levels, I think you need to deal with the physical. You want to know what is soft, you learn about the heart. Yeah? You want to know what is freedom, deal with the restrictions. You want to know what is relaxation, contemplate a little bit about what is tension. So you want this? Yes, but you look at what is not obvious. You pay attention to the not obvious thing. Why? Because only this one and that one together gives you your ability to adjust. Feet together. Yeah. Support your legs a little bit. Slowly here, squat. Straight. Squat. Straight. Squat. Straight. Squat. Straighten the legs. Squat down, keep the knees together. Straighten the legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, good. Then now, here, look. From this position, Shi Heng Yi. 1, twist, twist. Yeah, 1, 2, sink, up, straight, twist, in. Yeah, the feet, they don't change their order, you just turn to the left side, look, turn, turn, sink, up, untwist, back. Now from the back it looks like this. And up. Down, up.
down, up. Like a screw, like a screw, yeah, like a screw, like this. But we go downwards. It's this feeling. Your complete body is like a screw, yeah. And then same way up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. This position, yeah. Don't sit on the leg. Don't sit on the leg. Up. Not down here. Up. Okay, continue. Now remember, we are looking to the left, and even if the body then also turns in, but your eyes still look to the left. On the left side is where you want to go. We want to go more here. So look at my head. Even if I go down here, eyes here, up, here, eyes, watch there. When you are in the squatting position downwards, your left palm, this one, is here. Protect the head. Protect the head. This elbow not up here, then here it's still vulnerable. Down. And right arm here. Here. Okay, let's try the other side. Okay, this time you swing the right arm out. Right arm, first of all, synchronicity. Right arm, right leg, right hand, right foot.